Class 3 Mathematics Subtraction. Hello my dear children. In the last class we saw how to subtract a 4-digit number from another 4-digit number with regrouping. Here we are going to learn subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping hundreds, tens and ones. We will learn this with an example. Here is our example. Subtract 2476 from 7674. First of all, as we already studied, we have to arrange our given numbers in a place value chart according to the place value of the digits, as you can see on the screen. Now we can start our subtraction process from ones column. Here we have to subtract 6 from 4. So we know that it is not possible to subtract 6 from 4 because 4 is smaller than 6. So we can take 10 ones from this tens column. In this tens column there are 7 tens. So in that we are taking 1 10 and adding that to 4 ones. So it will be 10 plus 14. It will be 10 plus 4, 14 ones. Now in the tens column it already lost 1 10, so it will be 7 minus 1, 6 tens. Okay. Now we can easily subtract 6 from 14. That is 8 ones. When we are going to tens column, we have to subtract 7 from 6. Here also we can see that 7 is larger than 6, so it is not possible to subtract 7 from 6. So we need to borrow 100 from this hundreds column. So it will be 10 plus 6, 16. In tens column, that 7 tens will be changes into 16 tens. Now we can easily subtract 7 tens from 16 tens. That is 9 tens. Now when we are going to the hundreds column, here we can see that 100 is already given to the tens column. So only 5 hundreds are remaining here. So when we are subtracting, we have to subtract 5 minus 4. It will be 100. Now in the thousands column there are 7,000 and 2,000s. So we can subtract 2,000s from 7,000s. So the answer will be 7 minus 2, 5,000s. write in the specified box. Now we subtracted all the columns and we got our final answer 5198, that is 7674 minus 2476 is equal to 5198. I hope all of you understood this. Thank you all. Bye.